Exploring the heat, the world of infrared grilling. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and modern cooking technique that's revolutionizing the way we grill: infrared grilling. Whether you're a language learner or a culinary enthusiast, understanding this concept will add an extra layer to your knowledge and skills. So, let's get started and explore what makes infrared grilling stand out. Before we delve into infrared grilling, it's essential to understand what infrared means. Infrared is a type of light energy that is invisible to the human eye, which exists just beyond the red portion of the visible light spectrum. This energy generates heat, and when applied to grilling, it creates a highly efficient and consistent cooking source. Unlike traditional grilling methods that rely on direct flame or hot air, infrared grills use a gas or electric element to heat a solid surface, emitting infrared radiation directly to the food. Infrared grilling offers several benefits over conventional grilling methods. First and foremost, it allows for quicker heating times. Because the heat is more direct and focused, infrared grills can reach higher temperatures in a shorter period. This leads to faster cooking times, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Additionally, infrared grilling provides even heat distribution, reducing the chances of hot spots and unevenly cooked food. It also retains moisture in the food, resulting in juicier and more flavorful dishes. Lastly, it's energy efficient, as the direct heat transfer means less heat is wasted. Using an infrared grill may seem daunting at first, but it's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. To start, preheat the grill to the desired temperature. Infrared grills heat up quickly, so this won't take long. Next, prepare your food by seasoning it to your liking. When the grill is ready, place your food on the grate and cook it, turning it halfway through to ensure even cooking. Remember, because of the high heat, cooking times may be shorter than what you're used to with traditional grilling. Always monitor the food closely to prevent overcooking. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of infrared grilling and how it can transform your cooking experience. With its quick heating, even cooking, and energy efficiency, infrared grilling is a technology worth exploring for anyone looking to elevate their grilling game. So why not give it a try and taste the difference for yourself? Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy grilling, and happy learning!